AAWireless 2 Review and Setup Guide. Best wireless Android Auto adapter worth buying. Tired of plugging your phone in every time you get in the car? The AAWireless 2 can turn wired Android Auto into a wireless experience without replacing your car's infotainment system. But is it worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The AAWireless 2 is a compact adapter designed for cars and aftermarket head units that already support wired Android Auto. It connects to the car's USB port, then communicates with your Android phone wirelessly. Setup is fairly simple. Plug the adapter into the USB port you normally use for Android Auto. Install the AAWireless app and pair your phone. After the initial setup, the adapter is designed to reconnect automatically when you start the car. It uses Bluetooth for the initial connection and Wi-Fi for Android Auto data, giving you wireless access to navigation, music, calls, and other compatible Android Auto features. The compact design also makes it easy to keep the adapter tucked away, while a physical multifunction button allows pairing and switching between connected phones. Multi-phone support is particularly useful if more than one person regularly drives the same vehicle. The companion app is another advantage. You can use it for firmware updates, configuration, and troubleshooting, which gives you more control than a basic plug-and-play adapter. There are some limitations, though. Wireless Android Auto can use more phone battery than a wired connection, and the initial wireless connection may sometimes take longer than simply plugging in your phone. Compatibility also depends on your car already supporting wired Android Auto. And remember, the AAWireless 2 is designed for Android Auto. If you need Apple CarPlay support too, you'll need to consider a different model. Overall, if your car already has wired Android Auto and you want the convenience of going wireless, the AAWireless 2 is a simple and practical upgrade without changing your factory system. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like to see next.